Top 5 Best Ball Joint Press Tools. Number 5. OEMTOOLS 21-Piece Ball Joint. OEMTOOLS kit is designed to be the only one you'll need in a lifetime. Heavy-duty forged steel alloy C-frame is one of the toughest available, and with the wide range of adapters, you'll be able to service almost any vehicle. The only downside of the OEMTOOLS set is the high price, but you shouldn't hesitate to buy it if you need a high-quality kit. Coming in number 4. Astro Pneumatic Press Tool Set. You may not need all the parts this Astro Pneumatic Press Tool Kit has to offer, but it's not a bad idea to future-proof your purchase. Like the smaller kit, it's built of hard steel, with a forged C-frame press. The case is blow-molded and provides a tight fit for all the parts. Coming in number 3. Powerbuilt 23-Piece Ball Joint. Powerbuilt also has a larger, 23-piece kit for added versatility and a wider range of applications. Aside from the standard tools such as C-frame and sockets, you're getting a wide range of receiving tubes and installing cups, as well as removing adapters. Coming in number 2. OTC Ball Joint Service Kit. OTC is a brand owned by Bosch, which explains the high price for a rather small package. However, OTC tools are some of the best in business, and the items you get inside the box are all you need to get the job done. Like other options, an OTC kit can be used to work on the U-joint and brake anchor pin. The package includes 3 receiver tubes, 1 adapter, 1 installing and receiving cup, as well as the C-clamp. If you're looking for a professional-grade kit to expand your toolset, OTC is a solid option. Coming in number 1. Orion MotorTech 21-Piece. Our number 1 option takes another spot on the list, this time in a new box and with 11 more adapters to increase the number of ball joint types that can be worked on. Interestingly enough, Orion MotorTech sells the exact same kit in the blue box, with a 10% higher price, while the 10-piece set is also available in red. Orion MotorTech products have streamlined production, with the 21-piece set sharing components with the smaller kit and adding 11 more of the same quality. The package includes extra receiving and removing cups and tubes, as well as a center plug.